Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode, then authenticate using Face ID or your current passcode. Once authenticated, tap Change Passcode. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you're connected to power or have at least 20% battery because the device will lock while you work. Don't skip authentication. It verifies you own the iPhone. Next, you'll enter your existing passcode so the phone permits a change, and then you'll be prompted to choose a new passcode type. Once prompted, enter your current passcode. This confirms permission to change it. Then choose the passcode format. A default 6-digit is fast and standard. A custom 4-digit is shorter. Custom numeric allows any length. Custom alphanumeric gives the strongest security. Pick one based on convenience versus security. Type the new passcode slowly and deliberately, then re-enter it to confirm. Make sure you don't reuse obvious patterns. Longer or alphanumeric codes block brute force attempts. After confirm, finish by locking the iPhone and unlocking it with the new passcode to verify it works. This confirms Face ID and Apple Pay remain functional. If prompts appear to update Apple ID or keychain access, follow them to avoid sync issues. If something goes wrong, like you forgot the current passcode, you must erase the iPhone and restore from backup via Finder on a Mac or iCloud's Find My iPhone. That's the only recovery path without the passcode. Make sure you have a recent backup before erasing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.